Hello and good day to employers, ma'am and sir. My name is Marlita Frias, 44 years old, married. I am high school graduate. I have four children, two boys and two girls. I am from Philippines. I have experience in Saudi, 8 years with one employer. They have 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. My experience duties is cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, take care babies, children, washing clothes. If you give me a chance to as your helper, I promise you I will do my best. I am I'm kind, honest, and hardworking. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Good day.